Exceptionally talented and television's heartthrob, shift from Balika Vadhu, Siddharth Shukla. Hi, welcome to Bollywood Now and congratulations for this success, achievement.
Thank you so much.
Okay, what all strategy this season?
Strategy are all at this end. I'm just the executor.
Okay, how come Jhalak Dikla Jaye and what's the feeling going on right now? Amazing set and trio, judges and all. So what's going in your mind?
A lot of positive energy, a bit of nervous energy, but raring to go.
Okay, how is Siddharth as a dancer?
Well, so that's a complete non-dancer. Complete, yeah.
So what all difficulties you face while rehearsing?
The main difficulty I face is that, which is like the basic of the basic, him like learning the beat of a song, then dancing on it, yeah. That's
Okay, what about the judges? Karan Johar, Madhuri Dixit and Remo D'Souza. Who is your favorite?
All three of them have such a good eye to catch good dancing, that it's going to be really tough to, satisfy them with my performance. And I'm trying really hard, and I hope I would manage.
Okay. Any one incident while rehearsing which you remember right now? Any tough or any funny?
Yeah, when Sonia had choreographed and she was done with the first act, and she just showed me what it's going to look like. So I think that was my mistake, that I asked her, okay, show me the entire dance, and Sonia nicely showed me the entire act, and I was like quiet for like a good 5 minutes. I said, are you serious? You think I'm going to do all these? And she was like, yes, you will. So I said, are you sure? Means I can't dance and I can't move and I can't jump like that the way you're doing, and so synchronized and doing all these things. And she's like, no, you'll be able to do it. So I love the confidence that she had in me. Well, I just thought that she was overrating me. Eventually I just
You got to know that I'm not overrating you.
Okay, you have such a great, huge fan following, as a Shiv in Balika Vadhu, and now how?
I actually think it is true.
It is true, actually. I get a lot of views if I put out your story in my channel. So, of course, you have a very great, huge fan following.
Then I will get some votes, right?
Of course, of course.
Sonia, don't worry.
Okay, so, you have a huge fan following. So, now you're at Jhalak. So, one message to all our fans, who are actually your fiction fans. They see you as a reality.
Everybody who just watches me and appreciates my work, please, I need your support now, simply because not a dancer, but trust me, your support's not going to go waste. I'm going to get better by each passing week.
This was Siddharth Shukla with his choreographer in Mumbai with cameraman Kamaldeep Singh. This is Rohit Bhatnagar for Bollywood Now.
Hi, this is Siddharth Shukla. Subscribe to Bollywood Now.